Hi, Nick Perdomo from Perdomo Cigars. Today we're in our major rolling room number 1 here in Esteli, Nicaragua with Perdomo Cigars. And today what I want to show you is the bunching of the cigar, the blend and the bunch before it gets finished by the roller. So what he's doing is he's laying down his binder, as you can see, and stretching it. And the first thing he's going to do is take his first seco leaf, which you see there. That's the lightest tobacco on the plant. He's going to hold it and put it together so he can put his first set of Visa, which is more semi-strong tobacco. If you look at the bunch, he puts it on his left hand, on the left part of his hand. Then he's going to take another region of Visa tobacco, which is semi-strong tobacco. He's going to put it on his right side of the bunch, almost like 3 flowers. And then finally in the middle, he's going to take the Ligero leaf, which is the strong tobacco, which is up on the top of the plant. It has the most oils, resins, and flavor, and it has to be in the middle of the bunch. He's going to tear that, and he's going to take these tips of that tobacco and line them up in the front of his hands so you can get all the flavor of the cigar from the start all the way to the finish. The cigars they're making today is the Perdomo Champagne 6x54 Epicure, which is one of our best-selling cigars. So just wanted to show you the bunching. The average roller here makes about 450 to 475 cigars a day. So I hope you enjoyed this segment of bunching. This is Nick Perdomo. Thanks very much.